Okay, folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And what have we here? Beautiful Chrysler. I'm sorry about the background noise, but I'm at a classic car auction. I'll tell you what, this thing is gorgeous. Town and country. Let's say Newport. 1950 Town and Country. One of the most expensive vehicles in 1950. Look at this wood grain. This is real wood, guys. They were phasing away from the wood grain cars into the all metal. You saw cars built this way. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Beautiful car. I mean, the paint on this thing is unreal. It's like a black mirror. It's hard to get a black paint job look this nice. Unreal. I just seamed the wood together. The craftsmanship, not only when it was built originally, but when it was redone. Unreal. Two-door hardtop too. Beautiful, beautiful car. Folks, hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button, share this video. It really helps the channel and it really helps the car hobby. Beautiful cars like this need to be seen. This thing is unreal. Let me get another look at it. Look at that. Got it into chrome. Unreal. Unreal. I have videoed a bunch of cars up here today, guys. Just had a burger and I am exhausted. It's too much light work, but I'm having a ball. I think I'll jump in my DeLorean and go home. All right, folks, Bob out.